My name is Ivar Leik. I'm a part of the product development team at Electrom Instruments. We've been in business for over 3 decades, designing and manufacturing motor testers and winding analyzers. Our strategic objectives are to be the technology leader, driving the advances in motor testers forward while providing excellent customer service and support. With feedback from our customers worldwide, we develop and design highly advanced test instrumentation for any budget, for any motor test application. Our motor repairers use our instruments every day, both in the field, in the shop, making sure that they have a high quality product, a high quality repair, and that they can deliver the best possible product to their customers. The iTIG 4, like the older generation of the iTIG, will feature a lightweight, durable and rugged case. It will include the basic models with manual operation, but also the advanced, fully automated models with surge, partial discharge, medium and low voltage measurements, all done on one lead set. Leveraging the latest in advanced computer chip technology and our very experienced product development team, we've been able to reduce the form factor of our already advanced test technology. So the iTIG 4 4kV will only be 18 pounds at this point. Imagine bringing that out in the field. At EASA 2022 this year, we showcased the iTIG 4 4kV tester. The iTIG 4 will also be available in 6, 12 and 15 kV max output voltage versions.